Всем привет, это 44-й урок, и в этом уроке мы будем делать метод, который закрывает все соединения и потоки и смывает все.
Because this is going to happen once you're done chatting. And we'll just name it. Actually, we need to code this first. Close streams and sockets
Slows.
after you are done chatting. Looks pretty good. So we'll name this, of course. Don't have many choices. Public void. Close crap. And obviously, we have to build this ourselves. Java would not be ridiculous enough to name something close crap. Though I wish there was a building method called close crap, because that would just make my day. But anyways, the first thing we want to do is give the user prompt that says, new line, closing, connections, because we ain't done yet. Alright, so this just, wow, I definitely spelled connections like that. Are you kidding me? There we go, that's a little bit better. So now we just give functions like that. Are you kidding me? There we go, that's a little bit better. So now we just give them a nice little prompt that says, you know what, closing connections, is that what we're doing right now? Give us some time to do it. So remember when I told you guys that it would be stupid and also not very good in programming terms to let the user be able to type when they're not connected to anyone? Well, that's the first thing we want to do. We want to shut down their ability to type. So able to type, go ahead and set this equal to false. And this is another small method that we're going to have to build later on. So after this, how do we shut down everything? Well, we actually need to put it in a try catch statement. Try catch. And what do we want to catch? IO exception. IO exception. And if we couldn't shut everything down successfully, we'll just go ahead and print stack trace. Which pretty much shows us our error message. Anyways, hopefully we're not going to see that. Hopefully what's going to happen is it's going to allow us to execute this try block, which consists of 3 very, very short lines of code. So the first thing we need to do is we need to close the streams when we are done with it. So remember the name of the first stream that we could send stuff to them was output. Go ahead and close this, which pretty much says, okay, you don't need that anymore. I'm just going to close it. The input stream, which pretty much allowed us to receive messages from the user, input, close, right like that. And the last thing that we need to do is we need to close the overall connection. So the socket, that's what I'm talking about. So connection, close, right there, closes the socket. So again, this closes the socket or the main connection between, your computer and another computer. The output closes the stream to them, and the input closes the stream from them. And you basically want to close things down, because if you don't, then it's just going to waste memory. And if you have a bunch of, empty servers, or empty streams and empty sockets sitting on your server that don't get used, then it's just going to eat your memory over and over and over again. Kind of be a waste of, memory and resources on your server or computer. So, guys, good news. That's all you have to do for closing crap down. Again, what this does is once you're done chatting, closes all the streams and sockets. Pretty much good housekeeping stuff. So in the next tutorial, we're going to be getting rid of 90% of these errors, because I'm going to be showing you guys how to code that send message method, which basically takes a message and displays it in your chat window. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys then.
Так, в этом уроке мы просто закрываем входящие и исходящие потоки и закрываем само соединение, сам сокет.